Hi, my name is Mary.
And my name is Ruth.
Ruth and I have decided to start this YouTube channel teaching the Kikuyu language in 5 minutes.
We saw there was need to propagate the Kikuyu language. A lot of young people living in the urban areas and those in diaspora would like to learn their mother tongue. So we eventually decided to start a YouTube channel due to the demands of our families and our friends, and due to our love for the Kikuyu language, our heritage. The Agikuyu people of Kenya mainly occupy the areas between Mount Kenya, the Aberdares, and Nairobi. They are also to be found in other parts of Kenya, East Africa, and many parts of the world. Their population in Kenya is about 8 million. The close relatives of the Agikuyu people are the Akamba, Ameru, Aembu, and Ambere.
Why learn the Kikuyu language? A lot of people living in the urban areas will be able to communicate with the old people, especially upcountry, who only know their mother tongue, who only speak Kikuyu language. It also helps the communication when one visits that part of the country. It will help to propagate and preserve our Kikuyu culture. It also helps people living in the diaspora who might not be able to teach their own children their mother tongue due to the challenges of life. So you're welcome to join us in this adventure of learning the Kikuyu language in 5 minutes.
Please join us next week as we start our first lesson in Kikuyu language. Bye.
Bye-bye.